am Mohini Agarwal. Welcome to Easy Learning. Today I have come up with one more trick to do multiplication. In today's video we will see that how to do multiplication of two digits within 3 or 4 seconds. So let's begin. So as you can see, I have taken 5 examples and they all are 2 digits number. So that means that this trick is applicable up to when our number is up to 100. So let's begin. I am taking the first example. First, what we will do? First, we will make 3 blanks. Now, after that, what we will do? We multiply the first digit with this. So 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So we will write here, and the second digit with second or unit digits, we multiply this and this. So we will write 7 into 6, which is equals to 42. So here we will write 2 and here we will write 4, which will go into the carry. Now what we will do next? We will multiply this number by this and this number by this. So that means 2 into 7 and 6 into 3. So we will get 14 and 18, and we will add up these two. We will get 32. So we get 32. So we will write here 2 and take 3 as carry. Now we will calculate as 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 6, 9. So now 9, 6, 2 is our multiplication of 226 into 37. So this is how we do these types of numbers or this type of multiplication. So again I am going to take up one more example, and then you can, for the rest of the examples, you can pause the video and you can solve by yourself. And after getting practice of these, you can solve this type of problem within 3 seconds. Now again I am taking this example. What we will do? We will do just first make 3 blanks, and we will multiply first 10 digits into 10 digits. So 3 into 4 is equals to 12. And next we will take 2 into 1, so which will be 2. And now next we will do the multiplication of 3 into 1 and 2 into 4. So 3 plus 8, which we will give 11. So 1 we will write here and 1 we will go on to carry. So now we will add 2, 1, 3, 1. So this is our product. So this is our product of 32 into 41. Now again let's do one more example so that it will be more clear to you. What we will do? First, what we have to do? We have to just make 3 blanks. Next, we will multiply the tens digit of both the numbers. So 2 into 5 is 10. So we will write here. And then we have to multiply the unit digits number. So 9 into 1 is equals to 9. And then what we will do? We have to do multiplication of this number to this and this to this. So we will get 45 plus 2, which is 47. So 7 we will write here and 4 is gone to the carry, and now we will add 1479 is the answer. Now the rest of the problems you can do by yourself, or just pause the video and I am doing here and you do in your copy. First I am making 3 blanks, then I am multiplying. 3 into 6 is 18, 8 into 1 is 8. I am just adding 3 plus 48, which is equals to 51. So I am writing 1 here, 5 here. So this is we got after multiplication. Now again, this is the last problem. We have made the 3 blanks. Multiply 7 into 2, 14, 1 into 1, 1, then 7 into 1, 7, 2 So this is 1491 is the answer for 6. So you can see that this is very simple to do, and we can get the answer for the multiplication within 3 or 4 seconds. So now let's have quick recap. I am just writing the steps so that you can follow. The first step is make 3 blanks. So this is our first step. Second, the multiply first 10 digit into second number 10 digit. So this is how we have done that. First 10 digit, this is second 10 digit. Third is multiply first ones digit into second ones digit. We have done this, we have multiplied with this. Now what we will do? We will multiply, or we will multiply 7 or sorry first 10 digit with second ones digit. We can write it as 8, and then we will multiply first ones digit with second tens. We will write as A. Now the first is addition of A plus B, and write at the middle blank. So this is how we do these type of questions. And remember that this trick is applicable only when we have number up to 100. Now again I am just taking one more example, and we will follow these steps. Like I am writing this number. So what we will do? First we will make 3 blanks. I have made 3 blanks. Multiply first numbers 10 digit, and that means this, and second 10 digit, that means this. So we will multiply this into this, so we will get 2 into 4 8, and then we will do multiply first numbers 1 digit and second 1 digit, so that means this into this, so this is 6. Now what we will do? We will do multiply first 1 digit with this, second 1 digit, first 10 digit into second 1 digit, and then this. So 2 into 2 4, and 4 plus 3 12, we will get 16. So here we will write 6, and 1 we will get to carry. So this is the multiplication. So I hope that you have understood this, and now you can, if you do practice of that, then you can solve these type of questions in seconds. And I hope you like this video. If you like, please do like and subscribe, and also share to others. And if you have any queries related to any subjects like economics, statistics, mathematics, just do let me know. I will upload the video for that particular topic also. And thank you and take care.